Are you ready to go outside? Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh my God. Go ahead, Gingy. Can you even get out there? What do you got, Jin? You can't even, not even gonna try, huh, Gingy? Oh my God. I hope the fish are okay. Way back there. Oh my God. Go, Gingy. Don't eat yellow snow, people. What do you got, Jin? Ooh. There goes a nice drift. Oh my God, look at her. What's the matter, baby? Too much, huh? Is it too much? What do you got? What do you got? Go run around. Go on. Go on. Get that snow. Get that snow. Get it. Gingy, where's the snow? Oh wow, look how deep it is. Jin, no, you're messing it up. I can't see how deep it is now. And that's after it's been shoveled once. Oh my God, this is crazy. Gingy, go outside. Oh no, we're making a mess in the hallway. Go outside, Gingy. Oh, it's really, really deep. That's my mom's kitchen window. Oh my God, it's cold. The holly bushes. Yeah, I can't even get out here to measure it.